Dear people, watching and listening, Assalamu alaikum. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please support my channel by contributing to my Patreon account so that I can continue making the audiobook series. Tipu Sultan, who was the ruler of the kingdom of Mysore in South India, during his reign used to write down his dreams. They were penned down by Tipu himself in Persian language, dating from 1785 to 1798. The penned down dreams are 37 in total. After the fall of Seringapatam in 1799, the manuscript was discovered by Lieutenant Colonel William Kirkpatrick after a thorough search of his bedchamber during the ransack of Tipu's palace. The manuscript was so well hidden that even Tipu Sultan's confidant Munshihabibullah had never seen it before. The letters have been translated into English by Dr. Mahmood Hussain, former Minister of Education and Professor of History in the University of Karachi, Pakistan. Dream 13. A woman in man's dress. Prior to the night attack upon the marhattas at Shahnur by the side of Devgiri, on the 6th of the month Khusrawi of the year Bust, I had a dream. It seemed to me as if a handsome young man, a stranger, came and sat down near me. I passed certain remarks in the manner in which one might, in a playful mood, talk to a woman. I then said to myself, it is not my custom to enter into playful discourse with anyone. Shortly thereafter the youth rose, and walking a few paces, returned to loosen his hair from beneath his turban, and opening the fastenings of his robe, disclosed his bosom, and I saw it was a woman. I immediately called and seated her and said to her, whereas formerly I had only guessed you were a woman, and I had cut jokes with you. It is now definite that you are a woman in the dress of a man. My conjecture has come true. In the midst of this conversation the morning dawned, and I woke up. I conveyed the contents of the dream to other people and interpreted it thus, that please God those marhattas have put on the clothes of men, but in fact will prove to be women. By the favor of God and the aid of his messenger, on the 8th of the month and the year above mentioned, on the morning of Saturday, I made a surprise attack upon the army of the unbelievers. Advancing with 200 or 300 men, I myself penetrated the camp of the unbelievers, crushing them as I went as far as the tent of Haripant Parkya, and they all fled like women. End of Dream 13.